What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, click here to laugh. I think that's it. I got a lot of YouTube channels. Click here to laugh, King Hussle X1M 2.0, Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there, from Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, scamming people, and y'all follow for it. Listen, my Telegram is not King Hussle nothing. So if you talking to a Telegram name with King Hussle, that's not me. That's a fake page. My Telegram link is in the description. So all you gotta do is click that Telegram link and then direct you right to my Telegram. Also, make sure you get before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you pay for. Easy as that, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, today, I'm finna put y'all on a big old bag, NACPN friendly. Yes, a big bag, but the only thing about it is your LLC has to be either in Illinois, Wisconsin, or Indiana. So, that's the only thing, but they're giving out a big bag up to $500,000. Yes, $500,000, easy. But you just gotta be, your LLC gotta be in those 3 states, and they're CPN friendly, so take that in consideration. So today we're gonna be talking about Byline Bank. All right, they out of Chicago, they out of Illinois, and they giving away that bag. All right, easy bag, low FICO score. All right, so if you want to get that bag, listen to what I got to say. Follow these steps and listen and hear what I'm saying, because if you do, I guarantee you'll get approved and you'll be good to go. All right, so the first thing you want to do, all right, you want to get into your bag. You want to say, you know what? Let me stop playing around, because everybody else getting these loans, everybody else getting this money. Why am I not getting this money? So how am I going to start getting this money? I want to start living lavish. I want to start living luxury. I want the best cars and houses and take care of my family and my people. How can I do that, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to get you an Experian account, because now you're going to start, because everything is revolved around credit. It might be a bad credit loan. It might be, say, no credit or this or that, but everything revolves around credit, because they want to see, are you going to be responsible enough? Are you responsible enough? If they give you this money to pay it back, they want to see, do you got anything else on your credit that you're paying back? If you do, how good are you paying that back? Are you at exceptional payment history? Or are you at a bad payment history? Are you delinquent on some accounts, or are you paying these accounts back? And if we give you this money, are you going to do the same thing to us, right? They want to see that, and we all know it's good debt and it's bad debt. The bad debt is what makes your credit score be bad, and the good debt, because you're paying it on time, paying these trade lines on time, is making your credit score good, right? So boom. You're going to get you an Experian account, because I know a lot of people out there have Credit Karma free accounts that's giving them advanced 3.0 scores, and they think they got this fantastic credit score when they really don't, all right? If you want to see your real credit score, get you an Experian account, pay $25 a month, and you will see your 3 FICOs, your Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, all right? The best and safest, easiest thing to do, because you can lock your credit on there, you can freeze your credit, you can do everything that you need. You're going to see your debt, you're going to see your payment history, you're going to see everything, your collections, your inquiries, late payments, evictions, everything that you need to see, all right? So once you get you an Experian account, start paying monthly, and you start seeing what's going on, all right? You're going to see that, okay, my credit score is at, let's say, a 550, right? Boom. You got you a 550 credit score. You're going to say, okay, in order for you to build your credit, you need to add trade lines. You need to add positive trade lines to your credit report. And you have to be, the payment history on those trade lines will build your credit score. So, like I've been telling you guys in previous videos, how to get a good trade lines, go to creditstrong.com. And there's many other sites, like if you want to add your rent, you go to Credit Rent Boost. You want to add any of those streaming services from Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, all those things like that. You go to Ava, you go to Incredible, you go to Self. These are credit building platforms that are trade lines that you can add to your credit report, all right? But Credit Strong gives you up to $42,500 worth of trade lines, credit mix that you can add to your credit report that will make your credit look good. All right, so that $42,000 will be added to your credit report. Now you're supposed to have 5 credit cards at the most on your credit report. Now, I know you don't want to go out there and just be applying for credit cards and taking credit hits and all things like that. So the smart thing to do is get you AUs, authorized users. You can go on Trade Line Supply, buy you 5 credit cards. You can buy you 5 credit cards at $20,000. You can buy you 5 credit cards at different amounts that can equal a large amount or decent amount, and now you could be at $100,000 or over $100,000 in debt, good debt on your credit report that will look good when these lenders are looking, these banks are looking at your credit report to lend you money. So like I said, $42,500 from Credit Strong, and you can get over $100,000 or more in credit cards, AUs, to be reported on your credit report from Trade Line Supply for credit cards. All right, so boom. Once you do all that, you're gonna wait 32 days. You're gonna let the trade lines marinate on your credit, and then you're gonna make sure if you're self-employed, you're gonna make sure you got you an ADP payroll provider that you're running your money through, so you can have a paper trail for your money, because they want to see that. Also, make sure you're following these steps, because I guarantee you, if you do, you'll be successful at getting these loans. So like I said, it's CPN friendly. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna be talking about Byline Bank, how you can get either up to $500,000, or you can get up to $150,000, right? And I just told you how to get your credit. So you got a 550, your credit score can boost, really jump up to a 650, almost in no time, all right? So make sure you're following up them steps that I just gave you, because it'll put you in a position to really, and they go off relationships too. So you also make sure you open up a bank account with them, a business checking account. Build a relationship, start depositing money, because that'll help you out too. Even if you don't got the credit scores they're asking for, it'll help you out in getting approved quicker and faster, all right? So without further ado, let's check out Byline Bank, how you can get this cash, how you can get that major bag, and you can really do what you need to do and be successful, all right? So let's check them out. Whatever way, who knows? All right, so today we're going to talk about Byline Bank. All right, I know a lot of people ain't never heard of them. A lot of people not talking about them, but today I am. Quick access to working capital. All right, Byline Express Loans provide Chicagoland small businesses expedited financing through term loans and revolving lines of credit from $10,000 to $500,000. All right, is your business over 2 years old? We got loans for you. Qualified companies and businesses for at least 2 years can receive rapid loan approval for working capital and equipment purchases. Our streamlined process allows for automatic decision with one single application. All right, Byline Express loans are not contingent on collateral, or only IRS revenue verification is needed for loans under $150,000. All right, so first, let's check your eligibility. Business must be operating an account with a Byline Bank. Needed to open an account? Fine, right here. So you're going to open up your account. Must be a business for 2+ years. Business located in Illinois, southeast Wisconsin, and northern Indiana. For profit companies only. FICO score 680 for loans, $10,000 to $150,000. Only IRS revenue verification required. FICO score 225 for loans, $150,000 to $500,000. Some documentation required. All right, so interest in the business assets file open closing. 8821 or 45 tax recurring revenue verification required. Documentation includes last 2 years of filed business tax returns. Last year in internal financial statements must be recent year tax return not filed. Year-to-date balance sheet and income statement, personal financial statement, and last 2 years of filed personal returns, which are documents you can get on your own. Loan amount $10,000 to $500,000. Term loan 5 years. Lines of credit 2 years. Interest rate variable, fixed rates. Working capital, equipment, inventory purchase. All right, so contact the business banker to apply. Byline evaluates application, expedited decision. Byline verifies revenue and or documentation. If approved, borrower e-signs documents. Approved loan is funded. All right, they're CPN friendly. All right, so make sure you're checking out Byline. bank out of Chicago. Real sweet. They real small. That's why a lot of people not talking about them, but I am. And I'm gonna get you some cash. They CPN friendly, and go get you some funds. All right. So without further ado, let's talk about Byline Bank. There you guys got it. Byline Bank out of Chicago, servicing Illinois, Wisconsin, Indiana, and they're CPN friendly. All right, so you make your CPN, you make your LLC out of those 3 states, you get it together, you do what you need to do, you can get you some quick funds. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with Byline Bank. They expediting the funds fast, quick, and easy. All right, just make sure you got the right paperwork, make sure you got the right paper trail, and you'll be good to go. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Shout out to everybody that's been tapping in to the videos, man. Shout out to everybody that's been actually following the instructions that I give you guys in the beginning of the video, because if you do, I guarantee you, you'll be successful at getting all these loans that I'm telling you. A lot of people don't like to follow instructions. A lot of people want to find loopholes. A lot of people want to cut corners and think things are sweet and easy and money is free and people are just giving away free money. No, anything that you see anybody doing, it wasn't learned overnight. They learned this stuff because of they actually wanted to learn it. They did what they needed to do. They practiced it. They took some L's and they learned from their mistakes, and they came back and did it better, and they kept going. You're not going to be Michael Jordan overnight. You're not going to be a mad scientist overnight. No. You got to put in the work. You got to put in the effort. You got to put in the grind. You got to put in the time. Point blank period with anything that you want to do and be successful with. All right, so make sure y'all take that into consideration. You want to learn this credit game, that's the #1 money game in the world. Tap in, get y'all lessons, really learn what's going on, because knowledge is power. Once you really understand, once you become woke and you see what's going on, a lot of things won't really matter to you that used to matter to you, that don't really make sense. A lot of people want to get up and do the retarded things when you can get up and do things that really could help things benefit you in the world and to life. All right, so make sure y'all really just tapping in and becoming more awoke and aware of what's going on in the world, understanding that certain things don't matter. Understand more investing will have you more blessed. The more you buy diamonds and jewelry and things like that is only depreciating. So let's do more investing and helping our families out. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new subscribers, all y'all, because without y'all there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all go follow me on all my other social media platforms, all my other YouTube channels: King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle, the Hussle family, Turn Motivation and Means, all that. Go run them subscribers up, them views, them follows, all that good stuff like that. All right. Also, you looking to get your credit lessons? They $300 right now, Cash App and Bitcoin payment. Send me the screenshots when you're ready. You looking to get your any basic lesson? It's gonna be $500, Cash App and Bitcoin payment. FaceTime 101. You looking to get your unlimited gems? FaceTime 101 is gonna be $1,200, Cash App and Bitcoin payment. You looking to get your mentorship? You want me to take you under my wing, help you start making some money and make some money with me? It's gonna be $2,500. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour in person in the gyms. It's gonna be $3,500 in state or $4,500 out of state, but I gotta come out of state to you. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameramen, all that good stuff like that. Music reviews is $200. Models, tap in. Let's get to work. Got a good attitude, good head on your shoulders. I can work with you. We can get this money, teamwork, make the dream work. Anybody looking to tap in with the Cash App Glitchy, tap in. You're going to get the Cash App Glitchy. You're going to get the how to make $10,000 a week method, all profit, and you'll get one free fully, $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. Send me the screenshot when you write me the first time. If you don't, I will not respond. You will miss out on your opportunity. Let's keep running these bands up. Let's keep being successful. Let's keep running our credit up. Let's keep getting our stuff together. And I promise you, if you really pay attention, you can turn yourself into a multimillionaire just like everybody else is doing it. You can really start making some money, connect the dots, and I promise you you'll be successful. All right, so without further ado, y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next page.